Good day. Let us discuss Mathematics 2, Day 2, Week 5. I will show you two numbers. Which is bigger number, 25 or 5? Very good, 25. 127 or 227? Very good, 227. 46 or 34? 46. Very good. Today, we will discuss compare numbers of to 1,000. Last time, you compared numbers with the same number of digits but different first numbers. Today, we will compare numbers with the same numbers of digit and the same first number. Pick two-digit number cards with the same first number. 86 and 84. Is 86 greater than 84? Why? Yes, 86 is greater than 84. 86 is 1 more than 85, while 84 is 1 less than 85. If we consider the arrangement of the numbers from 80 to 90, 86 is to the right of 84. 86 is greater than 84. 84 is less than 86. Pick two three-digit number cards with the same first number. Let us have 418 and 435. Is 418 less than 435? Why? Yes, 418 is less than 435. 435 is more than 420, while 418 is less than 420. If we consider the arrangement of numbers from 415 to 435, 418 is to the left of 435. 418 is less than 435. 435 is greater than 86. Pick two three-digit number cards with the same first numbers. We have 729 and 721. Is 729 greater than 721? Why? Yes, 729 is greater than 721. 729 is greater than 725, while 721 is less than 725. If we consider the arrangement of the numbers from 720 to 730, 729 is to the right of 721. Therefore, 729 is greater than 721, or 721 is less than 729. Look at this pair of numbers. What can you say about the number of digits in each pair of numbers? They are the same. What can you say about the left digit in the first pair of numbers? They are the same. What can you say about the leftmost digit in the second and third pair of numbers? They are also the same. What can you say about the right digit in the first pair of numbers? They are different. What can you say about the middle digit in the second pair of the numbers? They are different. What can you say about the middle digit in the third pairs of numbers? They are the same. How about their rightmost digit? They are different. When comparing two-digit numbers with the same left digit but different right digits, which one is greater? The two-digit number with the larger right digit is greater. When comparing the two three-digit numbers with the same leftmost digit but different middle digits, which one is greater? The three-digit numbers with the larger middle digit is greater. When comparing the two three-digit numbers with the same leftmost and middle digit but different rightmost digit, which one is greater? The three-digit numbers with the larger rightmost digit is greater. For two-digit numbers, if the left digit are the same, compare the right digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. For three-digit numbers, if the leftmost digits are the same, compare the middle digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. If the middle digits are still the same, compare the rightmost digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. A number that is equals to 567 is 567. A number that is greater than 140 and less than 143, it can be 141 or 142. Let us try this one. In each pair of numbers, encircle the greater number. Number 1, 67 and 59. Which is greater? 67. Number 2, 99, 841. Which is greater? 841. Number 3, 945 and 925. Which is greater? 945. Number 4, 476 and 479. Which is greater? 479. And number 5, which is greater? 309 or 1,000? 1,000. Very good. Today, we studied about comparing numbers up to 1,000. Again, how do we compare numbers? The numbers with more digits is greater. Example, 125 is greater than 12. When comparing numbers with the same numbers of digits, the numbers with a larger left or leftmost digit is greater. For example, 99 is greater than 89. 574 is greater than 460. If the left or leftmost digits are the same, for two-digit numbers, compare the right digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. Example, 97 is greater than 92. For three-digit numbers, compare the middle digits. The digit with the larger value is the greater number. If the middle digits are still the same, compare the rightmost digits. The digits with the larger value is the greater number. For example, 865 is greater than 821. 789 is greater than 783. For your evaluation, give two-digit numbers that are greater than 97. Number 2, give two three-digit numbers that are less than 103. For number 3, give three-digit numbers that are greater than 996. And for number 4, give three-digit numbers that are greater than 665 and less than 670. Write your answer on your notebook.